Netra KRIYA SHAREERA, Class 3. KRIYA SHAREERA of Netra. Eye is the most important Indriya among the 5 Jnanendriya. Function of eye is to get the clear vision of the external world. Pratyaksha knowledge by direct perception. So what is Pratyaksha? Atma Indriya Mano Arthanam Sannikarshat Pravartade Vyakta Thathatve Ya Buddhihi Pratyaksham Sa Niruchyade. Knowledge gained by some yoga of Atma or soul, sense faculties, Indriya, Mana or mind, with the Indriyaartha or object of study or observation is known as Pratyaksha, that is a perception or direct observation, and this leads to Jnana. Perception of vision take place in 3 stages. That is, functional aspect of the netra is better understood through the following headings: Indriyaartha Sannikarsha, Rupa Alochana, and Jnana Utpatti. What is Indriyaartha Sannikarsha? It is a contact between eyes and object, and it is mentioned in Charaka Sutrasthana, 8th chapter. Panchendriya, 5 sense organ. Tatra chakshuhu, srotram, granam, rasanam, sparshanamiti, panchendriyani. So the 5 sense organs are chakshu or visual, srotram auditory, granam olfactory, rasanam gustatory, and sparshana or tactile sensation. Panchendriya dravya. Origin of the 5 sense matters are Panchendriya Dravyani, Kham, Vayu, Jyoti, Abo, Bhu, Idi. So the 5 types of matter of sense organ, that is the Indriyarthas are, Indriya Dravyas are Akasha, Kham, Vayu, Jyoti means Teja or Agni, Apa means Jala, and Bhu or Prithvi. Panchendriya Adhisthana, 5 sites of sensation. Panchendriya Adhishthanani, Akshini, Karnau, Nasige, Jihva, Tvak, Chedi. So the 5 sites of sense organs are Akshini, eyes, Karna, ears, Nasika, nose, Jihva, tongue, and Tvak, skin. Now 5 Panchendriya Artha, sense objects. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. So Shabda means sound, Sparsha is touch, Rupa vision, Rasa taste, and Gandha is smell. Panchendriya Buddhi, 5 sensory perceptions. Chakshu Buddhyadikaha, that is Panchendriya Buddhis are Granendriya Buddhi, Rasanendriya Buddhi, Chakshurindriya Buddhi, Sparshanendriya Buddhi, and Sravana Indriya Buddhi. And theory of the Pancha Panchaga, in case of the sensory, that is the vision is Chakshurindriya is, Indriya is Chakshu, Chakshurindriya, that is eye. Indriya Dravya, Tejas, Jyoti or fire, that is light. Indriya Adhisthana is Akshi or eyeball. Indriya Artha, Rupa or shape, that is image, color. Indriya Buddhi, Chakshu Buddhi, visual perception, Chakshurindriya Buddhi. So this is the Pancha Panchaka in relation with the Chakshurindriya, that is vision in eye. The perception of the object by the Indriya take place in the stages by a number of complex mechanisms. Stage 1 is conduction of the light ray reflected by the object to the eye. The next is the refraction of the light rays inside the eye. Then the convergence of the light ray inside the eye on the Drishti Padala. Vada is the functioning dosha in this stage in the presence of normal Pitta and Kapha. Rupa Alochana means analysis of image and Jnana Utpatti, that is visual perception. Receiving and analyzing of image is done by Pitta, especially Alochaka Pitta. This is situated in the pupil or Andataraka. Alochaka Agni is Yadrishtyam Pittam Tasminna Alochako Agni Ridi Sapnyaha Sa Rupa Grahano Adikritaha from Susruta Samhita Sutrasthana chapter 21. Pitta, which is located in the pupil of the eye, is called as the Alochaka Agni, the Pitta or fire of sight. As its function is to catch the image of any external object presented to the eyes. And according to Ashtanga Hridaya, Rupa Alochanadaha Smridam Drik Stam, Alochakam. Alochaka Pitta is located in the eyes and it helps in vision. Marichi Uvacha from Charaka Sutrasthana Agnireva Sharire Pitta Andargataha Kubida Akubidaha Shubha Ashubhani Karoti Tadyada Bhaktim Abhaktim Darshanam Adarshanam Matra Amatratvam Ushmanaha Prakriti Vikriti Varno Shauryam Bhayam Krodam Harsham Moham Prasadamidi Edam Adhini Ityeva Adhini Cha Abharani Dvandvavaniti. So Marichi spoke, Agni of our body is represented by Pitta, which in its non-aggravated, that's a Kupida Akupida form, perform various good and bad function, including digestion or indigestion, vision or loss of vision, normality or abnormality of the body, heat, complexion, valor, fear, anger, joy, attachment, happiness, and other such pairs of opposing quality. That means the vision or loss of vision is related to Pitta. According to Acharya Bela, Alochaka Pitta is described as having two types. One is Chakshu Vaisheshika, that is related to eye. Other is Buddhi Vaisheshika, that is related to intellect. Jnana Uddirana happens after the contact of Atma, Mana, Indriya, Artha. We already studied that is a Pratyaksha. Then it reaches the Chitta, resulting in the Jnana Pranipada. Analyzing the imaging one by one is collectively is based on the Lakshana, detail, Samsthana, base, Rupa, form or appearance, Varna, Kala, Swara, sound. This is known as the Vaisheshika Jnana by Bela Samhita. Now, what is Buddhi Vaisheshika? Buddhi Vaisheshika is situated in the Sringkadaga, that is between the two eyebrows, and this is perceives a minute detail by Jnana, provide complete visual perception, record the visual images and remember this image for long time, recall and recollect when necessary, and help to foresee the future scenes. So this is mentioned in Bala Samhita. Tejo Chakshushi Kham Srotre Grane Kshiti Abho Rasane Sparsho Anila Visheshana Upapatyade. There is a predominance of Teja Chakshushi, Tejas in eye, Gam Srotre, Akasha in ears, Grane Kshiti, Prithvi in nose, Abho Rasane, Abha in tongue, and Sparshana Anile, Vayu in skin, sense organ. Chakshu from Charaga Sutrasthana. Tatra yad yada atmagam indriyam vishesha tadhatmagam eva artham anugrahanadi. Thus the sense organ perceive their object according to the predominance of their constituent Mahabhuta. Tad swabhavat vibhutva cha. Because of the similarity of their inherent nature or swabhava and specific capability of sense perception, that is a vibhu. Due to that, the sense organ perceive the object according to the predominance of the constituent Mahabhuta. Theory of the common origin, that is a Tulya Yoni, form the basis of sensory perception. The light which illuminates the object and the eye that receive it both are derived from Tejo Mahabhuta. Hence I receive only Rupa or visual perception and nothing else. Delhana gives the example of water in the river moving to join the sea. The similarity is responsible for this attraction as similar things always go together. Role of mind, mana. Perception by association of mind and sense organ. Manaha puraha sarani indriyani artha grahana samarthani bhavanti. That is, the sense organs are capable of perceiving objects only when they are associated with the mana or mind. Mind leads sense organ in contacting with the sense object. The image that the mind perceives is a conceptual interpretation of it rather than an impression on the retina. Vision, therefore, is a process of mental interpretation. Vision depends on the mind's imagination, and when the imagination is perfect, the sight is good. Diversion of mind is one of the inhibitory factors of vision. And optical illusion and other inhibitory factors. It is mentioned in the Charaka Sutrasthana, hindrance to direct perception. The factors leading to failure of the perceivable observation. Sadhamcha Ruphanam Adi Sannikarshat means it is if it is very near. Adi Vipragarshat, too far. Avaranat, there is obstruction to the vision. Karana Dhaurbalyat, Mano, defect in the organ. Karana Dhaurbalyat, defect in the Karana or organ. And Mana Anavasthanat, distracted mind. Samana abhiharanat means similarity. Abhibhavad, overpowering. Adi Sakshma, it is very minute. Pratyaksha Anubalabdhi. Tasmat Parikshitamedad Uchyade Pratyakshameva Asti Na Anyat Adastidi. Role of dosha, dhatu and mala. Vada. Regulation of the sense organ is done by Vada. And which Vada? It is Vyana, Vayu mainly. Deham Vyapnoti Sarvanto, Vyanaha, Shikra, Gati, Muranam, Gadi Prasarana Aksheba, Nimeshadi Kriya Sada. So Nimesha is a function of the Vyana Vayu, that is the movement of the eyelids, constriction and dilation. Also, Prana Vayu support vision, and if vitiated, prevents the visual perception. Pitta responsible for the analysis of object. We already mentioned Alojaka Pitta, Rupa Alojanadaha Smridam Drikstam Alojagam. Now Kaba, Shiraha Samsto Aksha Tarpanad, Tarpagaha Kabaha. It is located in the head. Tarpaga Kaba is located in the head and it nourishes the sensor organ. Tarpaga Kaba supplements the nutrition through Sneha. Rasa, watery portion of the eye, is the mala of Rasadadu, and Rekta Sira and Kandara helps in binding of the eyeball in the bony socket. Increase in Rekta Dhadu in Akshivaha Sira cause redness of eye, and Rekta provides the moisture and color. Mamsa. Mamsa provide pushti. Any reduction in the level of the Mamsa Dhadu will lead to Netra Glani and weakness of eye. Components of the eye like Sira, Kandara, Snayu, Asti, Sandhi get stronger by the support of Mamsa Dhadu only. Meda. Meda provide lubrication. Snayu and Sandhi are Upadhadu of Meda. Third puddle of the Drishti is made up of Meda. Asti. Pakshma is the mala of Asti Dhadu and fourth puddle of Drishti is supported by Kalagasti. We have studied in the last class. Delhana. This is mentioned, Kalagasti is mentioned by Delhana. Majja. Majja Dhadu provide excellent eyes. Heaviness and darkness of the eyes are the features of the increase and decrease of Majja respectively, and oilness in the discharge of eye is the mala of Majja. Shukra. Shukra Dhatu pleases eyes as it is filled with milk. One should increase the tejas along with Shukra for better vision. Now Mala. Increase of the Netra Aghata Mala will result in Bahulya. Increase of discharge, Dravada increase liquidity, exudate, Kandu Gavrava, itching and heaviness of eye. Decrease of Netra Aghata Mala will produce Netraghata Mala will produce Malayana Shosha, the dryness of eye, Malayana Shunyatva, lack of function of vision, and Malayana Laghavata, lightness of eye. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.